This is for U12 specialists. It comes out of question number 19 in 9D. So we have to set up a differential equation and then find out how long it will take for there to be 18%. Okay, so what have we got? We have a tank that's got 100 litres of liquid, of which at time 0 there are 20 litres of serum, because there's 20% and 20% of 100 is 20. And what's going in and what's volumes going in, V in is 2 litres per minute and the concentration is 10%, so 0.1 litre per litre, because it's a liquid that's going in and 10% will be 0.1. And what's going out is the same. So I can use this formula from the notes about volume rate going in and volume rate going out. So dx dt will equal the rate in minus the rate out, which will be 0.1 times 2 is 0.2 minus 2 times x on 100, which is 20 minus 2x on 100, which is 10 minus x on 50. Now, the algebra creates a little bit of a problem because x is 20 and I need later for x equal to 18. So, doing this by hand, I have dt dx equals 50 on top of 10 minus x. And that's going to be a logarithm when I integrate, sorry, t will be the integral of 50 on top of 10 minus x dx. But my x values are bigger than 10. So in actual fact, what I'd like to do is I would like to turn this into minus 50 on top of 10 minus x minus 10 dx, because that avoids the problem of having the modulus being negative or positive, because my x values are bigger than 10. And I just multiply top and bottom by negative. So t will equal negative 50 log base e of x minus 10 plus some constant c. I know x equals 20 when t equals 0. So 0 equals minus 50 log base e of 20 minus 10 plus c. C will equal 50 log base e of 10, which means that t equals minus 50 log base e of x minus 10 plus 50 log base e of 10 gives me 50 log base e of 10 on top of x minus 10. So 10 on top of x minus 10 equals e to the t on 50, which means that 10 on top of e to the t on 50 equals x minus 10. So for x equals 10 plus 10 e to the minus t on 50 as being my rule for the amount of serum. So if I double check that on a calculator, x dash is 10 minus x on 50. When t equals 0, x equals 20. This is the rule that I get. Same rule when I drag and drop, this is the graph that I get. When I set it equal to 18, I'm going to get this answer, which in decimal form is 11.157. So x equals 18 at t equals 11 point, what was that number again? 157 minutes, or if I need to know the exact time in exact notation, it's going to be 50 log base e of 5 minus 100 log base e of 2.